Hi, good morning all. Today we will see what is path function and point function in thermodynamics. So assume that you are in a city A and you want to go to city B by a petrol car. So you can basically follow the multiple paths. So each path will have a different routes. Like you can either take a shortest route or you can take a longest route, which we may not normally take, but for this discussion. So you can go by multiple paths. So each path, each route that you take may not consume the same petrol. So when you take a longest path, you will have a high petrol consumption. When you take a shortest path, you will have a lesser petrol consumption. So this petrol consumption, how much is that is the proportional to your work done. So when you take a longest path, your work done is higher. When you take a shortest path, your work done is lower. That is, your petrol consumption is lower. So here a path function means what depends on the path. Here work done is a path function in thermodynamics because it depends on the route or path that you take. But the thermodynamic properties like pressure and temperature means the city A and B, they are not going to change, they are going to remain same. So here at point A, pressure, volume and temperature, if it is 1, and point B also, it is pressure, volume, temperature is at stage 2. So it does not depend on the path you take. So the cities are not going to change. They are going to be same. You go by different routes. Like from point A to point B, you can follow different thermodynamic process to reach point 2, which has the P2, B2 and T2. So the functions which thermodynamic functions which depend on only the those points, they are called point functions. So but work done depends on the path that you follow. If you change the path, then your work done will change. So they are path function. Suppose for a cyclic process is like a round trip. You start from point A, city A, you go to city B, then again come back to city A. That's a round trip. But your point, there is no change in your points because at city A, whatever the pressure, temperature, volume is there, it will be same. So for cyclic process, there is no change in the dv dt 0, but you have spent some energy, some petrol. So they are related to work done. So they that will have a value. So this is the explanation of path function and point function. Thank you.